Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to contact your subscribers with an email campaign in Brevo. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Brevo account, then click on Marketing, and automatically you will select campaigns. When you land on this campaigns page, click on Create Campaign button. Here, select your type of campaign between email, SMS, WhatsApp, and push. Of course, we will go with email. After that, you can create an email campaign. First, give your campaign a name. For example, I will give it, for example, tutorial test campaign. After that, you can organize your campaigns by creating folders and add your campaign into. For this tutorial, I will keep it simple. I will go with create campaign directly. Now select the sender that you want to use. Of course, I will use my professional email sender. Click on save. For the recipients, here click on add recipients, and then select your email list from this folder. In my case, I will use this test email list. I think that has a single email address. Don't send to unengaged contacts. This is good. To avoid unengaged contacts are segmented based on predefined criteria. You can customize it in the settings. This is a useful feature, but I will not use it. Under advanced options, you can exclude someone, or you can exclude contacts based on the list. For example, I want to send this to this first list, exclude contacts in this other list, for example, or exclude others from this segment, for example. For this video, I will keep it simple. Here you see the remaining emails on your plan. After that, as you see, this selected email list has only one recipient. Click on save. After that, you can add your email subject line. For example, for this, I will use ChatGPT. My bad. I will use ChatGPT. Write me a quick email to send to my newsletter. This is the subject line. And this is the email body. You can use this subject line with a preview text. The preview text provides recipients with more information about the content of your email. For maximum impact, we recommend keeping it under 100 characters. This is the preview text part. As you see, it shows below your email subject line. Now I will click on save to jump to to design my email, create from scratch, drag and drop editor, simple editor, HTML custom code. Now I also have saved templates, campaign emails, basic templates. Let's use this basic or this simple template. I recommend you to go with super basic or text-based templates to avoid enabling the filters of spam filters on email providers like Gmail, for example. One of the filters that email providers sometimes use is that if your email is using too much banners, it will land on the commercial tab if it exists. With text or with the simple text-based templates, email providers may see your email as a simple person contacting another simple person, or for example an email coming from your friend. So I will delete this first part also, and I will keep this one and paste my email. Of course, I will try to delete any keyword that may suggest spam. For example, check the link. I will remove it. If you're working on your website, email, or or simply I will call it hi there. I will delete this part, my bad, delete it manually line by line. How are you? Click on save and quit. Now that I've designed my email, additional settings, let's check them. Personalized the send to field, sending and tracking, activate, subscription. Okay, I forgot an important step, which in the design step here, instead of hi there, I will add this variable contact attributes, and I will search for first name. So here, instead of hi there, it will use hi, then the specific contact first name. Now click on save. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my dotcom Builder Academy today for free. Inside this academy, there are multiple online courses, including ones about hosting your email, website builder, web hosting, hosting your WordPress, Bluehost, and I've just finished I've just completed my tutorial. And I've just completed another free online course about Brevo, which is an email provider, and also about Google Search Console. Let's see a demo of what the online courses looks like. This is a web hosting online course, and as you can see, my courses are very detailed. Let's check this one about Bluehost. And as you see, they are well detailed. To get all of this today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Fill in this simple form and you can get access to this dotcom builders academy. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Now that my email message is well designed, click on where is the send. You can schedule it and preview and test. Let's send a test. This is a preview, how it looks like. View in inbox. So see, generate previews. Click on generate previews. This is how it will look like in the mobile, on the desktop, mobile based. This is how it will look like on the iPhone. On the iPhone 13. So this is good. Let's even send a test email. Here you can manage test list recipient. You can manage a test list. You don't have any contact in your test email list. So I'm on a hurry, so I will skip this step. Click on send. I'm looking for the send. Yes, now the button is called schedule in order to show me send now. So this is a bad user experience, bad user experience. When would you like to send this campaign? Send it now. Click on send now button. Campaign with this name is scheduled successfully. Where is test? This is the campaign I've just added or just created. It sent a campaign to a single recipient, which is this email address. I think I received a message. I received this email message confirming that on my Brevo account email, confirming that my campaign is on its way. I'm looking for the email. As you see, I received my campaign on this email address, or this single recipient received my email campaign. As you see, instead of hi there or hi anything, it was this word first name with this first name variable was converted to this recipient first name. Hi Bart, how are you, best. And this is how to send an email campaign to your email list in Brevo. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.